Problem number 15, second year, accountancy 2, admission of a partner. There are 5 types of goodwill treatments. First one, paid privately. Second one, goodwill brought in cash. Third one, goodwill brought in cash withdrawn by the old partners. Fourth one, goodwill creation. Fifth one, goodwill creation and a written off. Means goodwill they are not bring in form of cash. Only they are increasing sum of amount in their capitals. So it is called goodwill creation. Goodwill creation. So as this problem and last goodwill treatment, goodwill creation as well as written off. Goodwill creation as per the new ratio of new partners and goodwill written off as per the new ratio of and new partners including new partner. Remember one thing, goodwill creation as per the old ratio to the old partners, goodwill written off as per the new ratio along with the new partners. Suppose and new ratio is not given in the problem, basis on the and old ratio, basis on the and new partner ratio, they have to calculate new profit sharing ratio in two conditions. One is goodwill creation and written off, another one is capital readjusted method. Capital readjusted method. Suppose they are given new ratio and no problem. If they are not given in the new ratio and you have to calculate basis on the old partners old ratio and the new partner sharing ratio, basis on the new partner sharing ratio they have to find out the new ratio of the all partners. So capital readjusted method and goodwill written off, they must be having the new ratio. Why? Because capital readjusted is also basis on the new ratio and goodwill written off is also as per the new ratio of the all partners including new partners. It is remember one thing. Otherwise no need to and new partners ratio or new ratio of the and old partners. Only in two conditions they must be compulsory new ratio in case of goodwill creation and written off and another one is and capital readjusted method. It is remember one thing. In other condition no need to calculate new ratio. It is remember one thing. Next, this is the goodwill treatment, goodwill creation and written off and problem number 15, goodwill creation and written off. Okay, and observe problem one by one. Naidu and Shekhar are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. The old profit ratio of the old partners 3:2. It is remember one thing. And see the one by one assets, cash 20,000 rupees, stock the cash at bank 80,000 rupees, debtors 1,20,000 rupees, stock 80,000 rupees, and machinery 2 lakhs rupees, and building and 3 lakhs rupees. These are the assets. Next, liabilities. Bills payable 40,000 rupees, creditors 60,000 rupees, outstanding expenses 40,000 rupees. Capital accounts name is given and wrong names. Instead of Naidu and Shekhar, they are mentioned Ram and Rahim. So you have to and correct them. Naidu first in the place of the Ramu and Rahim in the place of the Shekhar. You have to and correct them. Naidu and Shekhar in the capital accounts and you have to correct them first of all. Next, on the above date, Harish was admitted into partnership 1/6 of the share in the profits. The terms of the admissions are, what are the terms? Harish should bring 2 lakhs rupees as a capital. Stock appreciated by 20,000 rupees. Remember one thing, appreciated by, just like they are given, the total amount will be taken as a appreciation or depreciation. So here the stock appreciated by 20,000 rupees. So in the revaluation account you must take 20,000 rupees as a appreciation. That's enough. Next, machinery depreciation by 26,000 is also, the machinery depreciation amount is directly given. So depreciation amount by, so you have to write to 26,000 rupees in revaluation account and debit side. Outstanding expenses not to required. So no need to paid outstanding expenses and as per the market, as per the terms and conditions. So, and when one liability is decreasing, it is benefited to the business institution. So, and it is must be recorded on the credit side of the revaluation account. And outstanding expenses no need to paid. So, it must be profit for the business. It must be recorded on the credit side. It is remember one thing. Next, goodwill of the firm valued at 60,000. So, no need to take into cash account. Why? Because the goodwill is not and bring in form of cash. It is valued or created. So, it is remember one thing, no need to take it into the cash account. Next, this is to be written up immediately. What is the goodwill creation? The same amount will be written up immediately. Means, and it is not appear in the and a new balance sheet and just like in previous method. In previous method only goodwill creation. So it is appear at the and balance sheet asset side. But as per this treatment, no need to shown in the balance sheet, new balance sheet as a goodwill amount. The goodwill amount debit is equal to credit, so nothing is else. So, and a goodwill account is cancelled. This is and one of them. New profit sharing ratio, Naidu, Shekhar and Harish is 3:2:1. You have to remember one thing, in case of and the capital readjusted method, in case of and goodwill create and written up, and the written up at the time of written up, you have to remember and written up as per the new ratio of the all partners. So, and the problem is goodwill creation and written up, it must be compulsory and a new ratio, and the capital readjusted method is, it must be new ratio is compulsory required. It is remember one thing. So, this is the problem. First come to the revaluation account. So, the stock appreciated by 20,000 rupees, it must be taken by appreciation 20,000 rupees. Next, machinery depreciated. So, machinery depreciation is also taken as a 26,000 rupees. So, outstanding expenses not to be paid, not to be required 10,000 rupees. It is also profit for the business. So, 30,000 rupees. And 30,000 minus 26,000 we are getting 4,000 rupees. 4,000 must be distributed among the Naidu and Shekhar 3/5 and 2/5. 5 1 ja, 5 8 ja 40, 800 plus 3, 2,400 rupees. Next, 5 1 ja, 5 8 ja 40 and 800 plus 2, 1,600. This is the and revaluation account. Come to the cash account. So, cash opening balance is given in the balance sheet 20,000 rupees. Harish capital account, amount is 2 lakhs rupees, total amount 2,20,000 rupees, 2,20,000 rupees. So, no transaction here. So, the total amount will be recorded as balance carried on 2,20,000 rupees. It should be recorded in the balance sheet asset side. The same amount will be recorded here only. This is the and cash account. Come to the goodwill account. And what is the goodwill amount? 60,000. 60,000 must be distributed among the between the old partners. and Naidu and Shekhar. So 60,000 into 3 by 5, 5 1 ja, 5 12 ja 60, 12,000 into 3, 36,000, 5 1 ja, 5 12 ja 60, so 12,000 into 2, 24,000, 24,000, 36,000 rupees, this is the, and goodwill and distribute between the Naidu and Shekhar. Next, come to the written up, means as per the new ratio, and 60,000 into 3 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 10 ja, 60, so 10,000 into 3, 30,000, 60,000 into 2 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 10 ja, 60, and 10 into 2, 20,000 rupees, 60,000 into 1 by 6, 6 1 ja, 6 10 ja, 60, and so 10,000 rupees, total amount is 60,000 rupees. Debit is equal to credit, no balance, if any balance is there it should be and record in the balance sheet, and as like previous problem. So remember one thing, and goodwill creation and written up, creation as per the old ratio 3:2, and written up as per the new ratio 3:2:1, so as per the including new partner, this is remember one thing. Next, come to the capital accounts, balance brought down 3,60,000 rupees Naidu, 3 lakhs rupees is Shekhar, and the same amount Harish capital is 2 lakhs rupees, the same amount must be recorded here only, 2 lakhs rupees by cash. Revaluation account profit 2,400, 1,600, so as per revaluation 2,400, 1,600, goodwill 36,000 and 24,000, the same amount must be recorded here only, so 36,000 and 24,000 rupees. Next, total then 2 lakhs, 25,600, 3,98,400 rupees, the same amount must be recorded here only, total columns. So from 3,98,400 deduct 30,000, 3,68,400 rupees, 3,25,600, from this we are deducting 20,000 rupees, so 3,05,600 rupees, 2 lakhs rupees, from this deduct 10,000 rupees, so 1,90,000 rupees. These are the balance of the capitals, balance carried on balance sheet liability side. So it is remember one thing, it is right for goodwill. Remember, when we are creating the goodwill in 4 condition, second condition, third condition, fourth condition and fifth conditions, except one condition. In all the conditions, goodwill amount must be shown on the credit side. So only once and record as a goodwill debit side, goodwill written up condition only, goodwill written up condition only as per the new ratio. This is the amounts as usual, right here only to goodwill amount. So goodwill must be recorded on the debit side of the capital account when it is written up. When it is written up, it must be remember one thing, goodwill written up. In this condition only you have to record goodwill account on the debit side as per the new ratio. So this amount must be between 3,98,400 minus 30,000, 3,68,400, 3,25,000 minus 20,000, 3,05,600, 2 lakhs minus 10,000, 1,90,000 rupees. This is the capital accounts. Next, come to the balance sheet. The same amounts are and shown in the balance sheet liability side. Bills payable, it is given in the problem as usual, it must be recorded as usual, and it is creditors is also given in the old problem, it record as usual. Outstanding expenses is 40,000 as per the problem, but not required, not to be paid 10,000 rupees, so 30,000 rupees is remaining amount. Capital accounts are, this is the amount 3,68,400. This is the 3,05,600. This is the 1,19,000, 90,000, 1,90,000. This is the total amount 8,64,000 plus 1,30,000. Total 9,94,000 rupees is total. This is the liabilities. The cash account, as per the cash account, the total balance carried on is 2,20,000 rupees. Balance sheet asset side. So the same amount must be recorded here only. And cash at bank record as usual. What are the amount is given in the problem? The same amount will be recorded as usual. Next, debtors, no adjustment. So debtors amount is also record as usual. Stock value is 80,000 rupees. Appreciation is 20,000 rupees. 80 plus 20, 1 lakh rupees. Machinery 2 lakhs rupees minus depreciation 26,000, 1 lakh 74,000 rupees. Building amount and 3 lakhs rupees, no adjustment is there. So the same amount will be shown in the balance sheet asset side. This is the 15th problem, goodwill creation and written off. Sometimes in the problems and it is not shown in the balance sheet, just like they are asking in the problem. No need to shown in the balance sheet goodwill amount, just like they are also asking in the problem. So goodwill immediately written up in the balance sheet, just like here also problem. So whatever it may be, not to be shown, written up immediately, no need to show, just like they are asking in the problem. It is nothing but goodwill written up problem. Goodwill written up problem. Remember one thing, in case of goodwill written up, in case of capital readjusted method, compulsory new ratio. Compulsory new ratio. In the most of the times, new ratio is given in the problem. Sometimes may not given in the problem. Then, and that time, and we are calculating new ratio basis on the new partner sharing ratio along with old partner shares. Along with old partner shares. It is remember one thing. So in this problem only they are asking only necessary ledger accounts. So these are the necessary ledger accounts, and in the 15th problem. So only one and the method is there. It is capital readjusted method, and when capital readjusted method is completed, the total admission of the partnership or admission of the partner is completed. Remaining is partners retirement and death. It is let us see and in previous classes, next classes. Okay, thank you.